For 40 years, an Oracle version jump meant months of infrastructure work and specialized consulting. Moving from 11G to 12C required rebuilding the environment from the ground up to support a new architecture. Every jump forced a total rewrite of the data dictionary and a complete overhaul of the optimizer. Database administrators had to account for entirely new background processes and storage formats that altered how the system interacted with the physical hardware. Survival during these transitions became a career milestone for DBAs. Because the risk of a botched migration was so high, major enterprises often froze their software deployments for half a decade or more to avoid the inevitable downtime. This collective paralysis kept billions of dollars of enterprise data locked in aging systems, as the technical cost of moving forward outweighed the benefits of new features. On October 14, 2017, a DBA named Marcus attempted a routine maintenance patch on a billion-dollar company's 4-node cluster. At 2 a.m., he was the only person logged into the logistics backbone of the entire enterprise. The terminal threw an error stating the inventory was locked. Marcus, certain he was alone, deleted the lock file and forced the patch to continue, a decision that broke the sequence required for complex cluster software. Marcus patched the database but neglected the grid infrastructure, creating a version mismatch. Watch Node 1's heartbeat snap red as clusterware evicts it. The ASM storage layer panics, spreading metadata corruption. Within 90 seconds, nodes 2, 3, and 4 drop offline, collapsing the entire cluster. The impact was immediate. Factory conveyor belts shuddered to a halt, and barcode scanners stopped responding. Trucks sat idling in loading bays because the database serving the logistics manifest no longer existed on the network. The outage lasted 11 hours. By the time the systems were restored, the company had lost $4.8 million in productivity and missed shipments. The fear of this specific failure, where a version mismatch during an upgrade triggers a total system collapse, is why the enterprise world stopped moving forward. When Oracle announced version 23C, the industry prepared for another heavy migration. Organizations began budgeting for the months of testing and the specialized labor required to move their data into a new architectural version. Oracle then pivoted, rebranding the release as Oracle AI Database 26AI. The name suggested a massive leap in versioning that would traditionally require an expensive, high-risk migration project. Internally, Oracle 26AI exists as Release Update 23.26. The equation here shows the rebranding breaking away to reveal a standard quarterly patch. It is a maintenance update wearing the mask of a major version. Oracle used the branding of a new era to deliver a payload that the industry would otherwise be too afraid to install. When a DBA applies the 26AI update, the logs scroll just like a routine security patch. The user experience remains identical to a minor maintenance window. This diagram reveals how the naming illusion works. The external product identity changes to 26AI, but the internal blocks remain locked. The data dictionary, the internal versioning, and the kernel stay at version 23C. Because the kernel and optimizer remain untouched, the database engine doesn't recognize a version jump. Oracle decoupled the marketing name from its underlying architecture. This prevents the 2017 meltdown by design. Since the internal version stays at 23C, there is no structural leap to cause a mismatch between database and clusterware. The components stay in sync because they aren't being upgraded, they are just being patched. By keeping the internal architecture static, Oracle removed the physical triggers for cluster evictions and data dictionary failures that made migrations so dangerous. The patch serves as a delivery vehicle for advanced features. Hidden within the 23.26 update are the binaries for vector search, embeddings, and direct LLM integration. These AI features slot into the existing 23C stack without changing the core database engine. Large-scale enterprise systems can adopt vector search and machine learning tools for a standard maintenance window without a single hour of migration downtime. This delivery method avoids the complex order of operation scripts that Marcus struggled with. The features arrive as additions to a stable environment rather than a rewrite of it. Oracle utilized the safety of a maintenance patch to bypass the administrative barriers that usually prevent enterprises from adopting new technology. Organizations can no longer use migration risk as a reason to delay modernization. When the upgrade is reduced to a patch, the excuse of a multi-month testing cycle disappears. The result is a simultaneous update across the global on-premises market. Thousands of legacy environments are currently running modern AI tools simply because they applied their quarterly security updates. Oracle bypassed the traditional upgrade cycle by changing the rules of what a version actually is. On this map, the pulse represents systems that moved into a new era of capability without ever performing a migration. They didn't ask for permission to modernize, they simply applied the patch.